Here we are at SIM 2012. Just want to give an update on the hot products, the hot topics that we're talking about. The primary theme that we've clearly heard is enterprise archiving, otherwise known as VNA. This is a topic not only for the ambulatory site, but also the large and mid-sized community hospitals. Really the trends going on with a lot of mergers, acquisitions, consolidation, that's one area, but then the second is also the talk of health information exchange as well as ACOs. Both of those are big drivers for that consolidated backend or the imaging archive. That goes hand in hand with it. It seems like the second topic that we've heard a lot about is image sharing. In those same environments with hospital consolidation as well as the combination of hospitals integrating together, whether actually fully owned and or a loose affiliation through, again, IHE or ACO, the image sharing is really a critical topic. And how are they going to disseminate the information not only to referring physicians, but also to the customer and the actual people that are the end consumer in this game. If you look at those two topics and where we are at Carestream, we're very comfortable in this space, but also very confident. There was a Medica study that came out 2 weeks ago that talked about the market penetration on imaging and who actually has the large share of vendor-neutral archive. Carestream on a global basis is the number 2 player in the market. I think if you look at the last 24 months, you'd also say it's the most rapidly rising player in the vendor-neutral archive, or really the image archiving environment. So very comfortable with that. But then also we've launched at this show MyView as well as ViewMotion 2, two very clear software solutions that get our images out in that imaging sharing environment. One really focused on your referring doctors as well as your surgeons with ViewMotion 2, and then MyView is a patient portal that actually allows access for the patient. So here at Carestream, SIM 2012, feel great, and we look forward to talking to whoever else looks at this video. Thank you.